Welcome to our channel. On this channel you will find content dedicated to dedusting and polishing equipment for tablets and capsules. Our specialist will select for you tablet and gelatin capsule dedusters and polishers. We supply pharmaceutical enterprises and companies with equipment and machines for dust removal and polishing the surface of tablets and capsules before packing in blisters and plastic cans. Equipment is completed with pharmaceutical vacuum cleaners, with the collection and preservation of pharmaceutical powders for reuse. The company RomanTsibulsky Minipress.ru supplies a wide range of pharmaceutical equipment from China, Korea, India, Europe and other countries. We provide such services as equipment searching, selection, purchase, delivery and customs clearance. We can deliver goods to any city of Russia and CIS countries. We have the most authoritative catalog of various machines with descriptions in many languages. We deliver the goods from China to Russia and CIS countries by air, sea, rail and road. Our specialist provides daily consultations on pharmaceutical production technologies. We select equipment and individual machines for production according to customer samples. We have the full package of optional service. Search for consumables, package, we place orders in China printing houses. We have a large information database about the manufacturers of pharmaceutical and veterinary products in Russia. Our catalog of equipment minipress.ru/catalog. Single contact number in Moscow +7 495 364 3808. Our email info@minipress.ru. More details about links to our contacts and social media can be found under this video. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, be sure to put your thumb up and subscribe to our channel, and you will not miss the latest videos.